Hey everybody, this is Dave Cooper and we are in Greenwood, South Carolina at Impressa Building Systems manufacturing facility, new manufacturing facility. This place is huge. I cannot wait to show it to everybody. But first, we're going to talk about all the work that goes into it. And this guy's here to help us talk a little bit about, Ken, I'm walking through and you guys got this factory. And there's some modifications you have to make. So I just want a quick update. I mean, I see a big hole in the floor behind us here, right? And I'm assuming you're putting some support structures in, or tell us a little bit about what you got going on.
Yeah, throughout the factory we bought this. It was a pre-existing factory and we have to make structural modifications. Part of it means we're moving big boxes through the factory that didn't have room to put the big boxes through. So that means we have to create headers and put additional column supports in. And what you're seeing is the footer for one of the additional column supports.
Right. How many square feet are we standing in here?
The main factory itself is 231,000 with about another 12,000 square feet of support buildings outside.
Right, and in the Northeast and New England, we're used to seeing, 15'9", 14-foot wide modules, super wide. Down here is a little bit different. You're going to be putting some big modules out the door.
We will actually be producing up to 20-foot wide modules out of here, but again, I'm going to not take credit for doing 20 wides. Out in the Midwest, North Dakota, they build 20 wides. We're just going to do it here for the first time.
There you have it, man. We are in Greenwood, South Carolina. Impressa Building Systems. Ken, thanks. We're going to come to you with a little bit more information as this process goes on, and I'm traveling through the Carolinas. Thanks for having us.